going to talk about some hot topics, and the first one is xenotransplantation. So what is xenotransplantation? Xenotransplantation is basically the transplantation of tissues, cells and organs from animals to humans specifically, or it can be from one species to another species, and there have been recent examples too of this that we have seen in news. For example, there is one example in New York where there has been the transplantation of kidney from pig to the humans, and in the University of Maryland in USA there again have been transplantation of one organ from the gene edited animal to the humans, that is from the pig to the human, and the organ was heart. So these are the two examples we have seen. But how this was possible? This was possible because of the cellular chemistry between the two organisms, that is humans and pigs. But there have been for sure controversies regarding this topic. There are some dilemmas that we are going to talk about. So the first dilemma is about the Article 51A, which tells us that we should look at the things in a scientific manner. Then only we should decide that whether it is strategically good or bad for us. Second dilemma is that about vivisection. Mahatma Gandhi ji was always against vivisection, which means the use of animals, that is the live animals, for experiments. So if he was against that, then if he would be present at this age, then he might not allow the use of xenotransplantation technology in this era. That is the second dilemma. And the third dilemma is about anthropocentrism. If we do that, then the upcoming generation might think that anthropocentrism is a great thing, but it is not, which means that the humans are at the center and we can take the advantage of any living organism just for the sake of humans. So which should not be promoted. But if xenotransplantation is adopted, it might promote this theory. There is a fourth dilemma, which means that in communities it is not widely accepted. For example, Jains, Jews, Muslims, they consider this animal as dirty, so in which this would not be accepted. And even, okay, let's leave about the communities, but there are non-vegetarians or vegetarians, so especially vegetarians would not allow this to happen. So there are some like this. There are many controversies, and the last and the fifth dilemma, which is of highly controversy today in our society, is that can we keep the life of humans at stake because of animals, or can we keep the life of animals at stake because of humans? So both life are important, so we have to think in that way, that what is important for us and what is not, that is to be decided through a scientific manner. So these are the 5 dilemmas that we have come across, but there is a one most great advantage of it, which can never be avoided, which can never be eluded. This should always be kept in light, that if this xenotransplantation technology is adopted, then there is a great, which has been going on for long, that is illegal trafficking of human organs just for the sake of money, and which is really illegal. So this should not be promoted. So if this xenotransplantation is adopted, and this technology after adoption is being regulated through central government and through proper rules, then it will be widely accepted by the people, and it will be in a very great advantages to the people. So since we have looked upon the dilemmas and the advantages of this technology, so I would recommend you to please give some comments regarding this, that are you with you or you are against it, and we will meet in the next video with the next topic. Thank you very much.